Hey, Mr. Grant,
Yes, sir.
don't forget the announcement.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, how are you? So I'm coming over here to tell you today that June was fantastic, record, top of the notch. And I tell you, it's not over yet, okay? So we still have time to activate some accounts. And tomorrow, it's July, and July is gonna be even better. You know why? Because we never stop building. We never stop building. And with all our energy together, we are just gonna build millionaires over here, okay? That's what I want by my side, millionaires. I want everybody to be good, to be great. So come with us, be part of this family. It's called Petronpay. I see you at the Zoom meeting today. Don't forget, okay? And invite 3 friends. God bless you all. God bless you.